Hey everybody, welcome back to RC with Adam. My name is Adam, and today we're going to find out who the winner is for the Snaptain A15H camera drone. Now, first of all, thanks everybody for playing and commenting and watching the video and all that stuff, but we can only have one winner, and the winner is Srija Madhu. Forgive me if I pronounced that incorrectly. Maybe it's actually Srija Madhu. You are the winner, so congratulations. This could be yours. What you need to do is you need to email me at rcwithadam@gmail.com with your US address, and we're going to go through a verification process to make sure that the person emailing me is the same person that made the comment. So scammers, don't even bother trying it, man. We're gonna make sure this gets to the right person. And you have 1 week to email me. Now, the backup winner, this person has not won yet, but the backup winner is going to be Mary W, or Marie W, if you will. Marie or Mary, you are the backup winner. So you as well can send me your US address at rcwithadam@gmail.com, and we will go through a verification process. But you will only get this quadcopter if the first winner does not email me within 1 week from the posting of this video. I think that's simple enough. Thanks everybody for watching. Thanks for participating in this giveaway. And thanks to Snaptain for sending me this quadcopter so that I could send it on to you. As always, thanks for watching everybody. I appreciate you. I appreciate your time. And hey, I just posted this other really cool video about 3D printed propeller hubs. You can check it out right over here. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you again very soon.